While the Nigerian youth are protesting because of the hardship the country is facing, Portable is here doing giveaway, dashing the society, fruits, goods, and what have you. He's sharing a lot of food stuff to the people. He love the people. He just want to see everyone happy and have food on their table. Portable is a very unique man. He has love for everyone around him, and he has been doing this, almost every time, every month. He always goes out to the public and shares food to people so that people would have what to eat. So Portable is very generous. He's very, very generous. He's a kind-hearted person. He doesn't want to see someone stays without having what to eat. You guys enjoy the rest of the clip, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Get subscribed to the channel. I love you all. Let me know in the comment section what you think about Portable music. Do you love Portable? Are you a fan of Portable's music? What do you think about this guy? Is it really that this guy is a mad person, or like does he really genuinely does not have any issue with people, but just that people don't get to see the real him, people don't get to see the genuine part of Portable? That's why they almost every time get into trouble with him. Let me know in the comment section the whole everything I just said. So and stay tuned, stay blessed.
Hello, àwọn olè sun táyà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni. Tábà gba wáyà. Oúnjẹ la máa ń rà fáwọn èèyàn wa. Ó di eyín. Àwọn èèyàn wa lọ́nà. Èlò ni gbogbo bíi mi ti máa lọ́dọ̀. Ẹ má sọ ní tí ìlú mi lọ. Táyé náà. Mi ò bá ń bírí, mo tẹ́ rajà mi bàjẹ́ dáadáa, mi ò rí ẹ́ ń bírí. Àwọn ọmọ yìí ló máa bá ń bí. Wọ́n bá ẹja, wọ́n bọ́ta, ìwọ náà máa bọ́ta. Ẹ pélé wa. Ẹ má bọ̀ bá, ẹ má bọ̀ ta. Ẹ má bọ̀ sí àwọn ṣọ́ọ̀bù wọn, ó lè ní.